Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today, I will show you how to check how many devices have access to your Instagram account. This is a great way to ensure your account's security and make sure no unauthorized devices are logged in. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the menu. Then press Account Center and click Password and Security. Under Password and Security, tap on Where you're logged in. Then select your Instagram account. Now you will see all the devices that have access to your account. If you see an unfamiliar device, tap Select Devices to log out. And choose the device you want to log out. That's all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.